Hi, my name is Krista Baldwin and I will be demonstrating acid rain. Acid rain is caused by a major air pollutant, sulfur dioxide, which is created when burning coal. Many power plants release this pollutant into the atmosphere, causing a decrease in the pH levels of the rain and water in the surrounding areas. SO2 dissolves in water, creating sulfuric acid, which can corrode monuments, gravestones, and other things made from calcium carbonate. Acid rain, which acidifies bodies of water, is killing many fish and other water-based organisms. It also affects the acidity of soil, which creates an unsuitable living environment for many plants. Because sulfur dioxide is a respiratory irritant and is toxic when inhaled, it is important to complete this demonstration in a fume hood. For this demonstration, I will need 3 large beakers, a Bunsen burner, distilled water, universal indicator, a fume hood, sulfur, tongs, a crucible, and acetic acid. First, fill the 3 beakers with 100 milliliters of distilled water. Then add enough pH indicator to each beaker to give the water a distinct color. Use the first beaker as a control and set aside. Next, put some acetic acid into the second beaker until a noticeable pH change occurs. Then place slightly more than a pea-sized amount of sulfur into the bottom of your crucible. Using tongs, place the crucible directly into the flame until all of the sulfur melts. Once all of the sulfur has melted, remove the crucible from the flame and lower into the third beaker. Swirl the crucible around above the water, allowing the SO2 vapors to react with the water. Notice the slight color change of the water in the third beaker. The pH of that water is becoming acidified by the sulfur dioxide.